Listen to me. Don't move. That whole area could be energized. What do you mean, don't move? You're not in any danger if you don't move. Look, I'll call the power company right now.
When the high voltage power line has been contacted, the ground around the point of contact can be energized for a great distance. If you can't move the machine out of contact and are in no danger, stay put until help arrives. If you are in immediate danger and have to move, keep your feet together and slowly shuffle at least 10 meters away. Your feet should move no farther than toe to heel, never leaving the ground.